I am Tripura and I am also known as East Department.
I am Nagaland. I am mountainous state in Northeast India, bordering Myanmar.
I am Meghalaya. I am famous for I am Meghalaya. I am famous for mountain peaks, forts and caves. I am I see. I am Manipur. I am the land of gems. I am Assam. I am the largest northeastern state by population and second largest by area. I am known for its tea, silk, and one-horned rhinoceros. I am Arunachal Pradesh. I am the first Indian soil to breathe the rising ocean.
National Park is located in Assam, established by Portuguese Grandmother Ganga National Park has been successful in conservation and was declared a World Heritage.
महाराष्ट्र में